Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel again. So this video is the same day as the other update video, and this is just a mini haul. And in the probably the front part or no, I'll show you I went to Once Upon a Time Child store and I got a few things there that may go actually do a little mini haul for you to show you what I picked up for the baby, for baby number 2. This is not all what I'm going to get for baby number 2. I still have a lot more stuff to buy, but because of my energy level, I just have to take my time and buy them. I already buy some diapers already, and I need to show you guys that, but I don't have nursery set up yet. Just have a few things I need to put in place. But so I actually buy stuff and I put into one corner, and then when we're ready, me and my husband just going to set up all we need to set up. So let me get into the little mini haul for you guys. Good morning everyone. So this is just a quick mini vlog going with the haul that I'm gonna make. So I'm at Once Upon a Child, so they are used company that sells used clothes. So I'm gonna check it out what they have on the store. It says $1 over there, so I'm gonna check out what they have in there and see what kind of baby stuff. So let's go check it out. Okay, so we're in the store now. So this is the first section. Them have stroller, them swing. I already buy a swing already, so I don't need no swing. Them have bouncer. We kind of like the bouncer. They make a look on those. Them have crib. They have a lot of stuff, and it's cheaper because people donate here. Not really, no, they don't donate. They sell but their stuff, their gently used stuff, and people get the opportunity. Maybe a swing like this may have actually, yeah. Not exactly this one. Looks so much better than this one still, but yeah, not like that. Oh, they have one of these. I was looking at one of these, and I'm just look and show you this. I was looking at one of these bassinet type of thing, like, but I don't know if I need it or not. I don't know if I should buy it or not. And then you have the other sections them with clothing. I think the size go from like newborn go all the way up to probably 10 or so. I have different sizes, and you have boy section different from girl section. So yeah, I just look at the jacket. The jacket is so cute, so cute. It's almost jacket still, but yeah. So I'm gonna take a look around and see. Probably at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys when I get some of the things I want to get. So yeah, all right. So this is Once Upon a Time Child. Hopefully you can see this. The lens on my camera, you probably hear some clicking sound. It's because it's adjusting the zoom, and I always try to set it up manual, but sometimes if I go show information, I have to actually manually zoom it back or just leave it on auto, and the auto go make nice. So I'm sorry in advance for that. So Once Upon a Child is a sell buy repeat. So sell buy repeat, right? I have, you know me already, I have no problem buying new stuff once they're in good condition and once them look good and them at good price too. So they had a sale going on today. Is them had some rock right outside. Everything on those rocks were for $1. It doesn't matter what it was, for $1. And inside them have onesie 10 for 10. So if you pick 10 onesie, you get it for $10 basically. So I'm gonna pour out everything. I'm gonna tell you how much we paid for everything. May even buy some things for my toddler as well in it. So that's what brought the price up. Otherwise it would be cheaper. And I'll let you know. Alright, so let's start with this big one right here. Oh, before we start with the big one, let me tell you how much I pay for everything. So I paid about $45 for everything. I have 2 receipts because I actually buy the stuff them and then I go back and go buy some other things. Baby's birthday is gonna be in March, and with Calgary weather, we never know. In March, sometime we're still getting snow or even a snowstorm or something. So I saw this little snowsuit and I actually fall in love with it, and it's an Old Navy brand snowsuit. Put on the camera right so you can see it. Yeah, so it's a So it's a Old Navy brand snowsuit, and it has white on the inside, and it feels soft, and up here so the hoodie part is just soft and nice, and it look good in a good condition, and have no rip or anything like that. And it has the little mittens where you can put over the baby fingers as well, and a fully cover up toe, fully cover up foot basically. Yeah, the feet are covered up completely. And this size is, what the size are again, 3 to 6 months. So I got this shirt because we're always going to church and stuff like that. So I just got something simple. It was $4 and we get it for $1. Right? They need for wash and iron and all of those things. I love this little vest. This is 6 to 9 months. I think this one is 6 to 9 months as well. It doesn't matter because anyway you take it, them have to go up there. And these are very small, I think, for 6 to 9 months. And this was $3. All of these that I'm showing you are for $1. Right, all of these was on clearance for $1. Get a little sweater for $1. This one, I like it because it has this is newborn though. This is a newborn size. This is a newborn size, and I like it because I think the first couple days or weeks, if the some baby biblical cord doesn't take that long to fall off, but I like to have something like this so it doesn't completely cover the umbilical cord. Right, if I say that right. Right, and this was $4. Right, I'm gonna get it for $1. And I saw this gap this big, so I have a lot of ways to go into it, but it doesn't matter. I'm saying 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months, and it's originally from Gap, and it was $7. Get it for $1. It's a good buy. And some of these are come up as suit, like a little suit slide. But before we go on that, see one more dress shirt here. This was $4. Get it for $1. So it look. Let me see before we go on to So one more dress shirt here as well. Something simple. This was $3. This is 3, and this is 0 to 3 months, and we get it for $1. Let's see, one more dress shirt here. This is 6 to 12 months. This is 6 to 12 months. Really like this, and it was $5. Get it for $1. You should tell me in a comment below and tell me if these prices are, $1 for these things are some good prices that I got. And I got this little one suit, so you can see that. Right, this is 0 to 3 months. This was $4. Got it for $1. See if we can zoom out a little bit for you. Alright, so on to, I think it was just, oh, here's one more dress shirt. One more dress shirt right here. This is 6 to 12 months, Old Navy brand too, It was $2. Got it for $1. Surprisingly, it was $2. It was still cheap same way. So this is a 3-piece. This is a 3-piece. Hopefully you can see it good. It was originally $4. It's 0 to 3 months. I bought it because it's a 3-piece, and normally when you buy 3-piece I look at $7, something like that. And it come with a little bit pants, and it come with a onesie underneath it, right? And I say, okay, I grab this. Right, I like that it come with a pants as well. It was originally $4, and I get it for $1. And this is so cute. I saw this, I'm gonna say, yo, I have to pick up this one. This is so cute. This is 0 to 3 months. 0 to 3 months, and it has the little jumper suit, and it has, I think it's a onesie, long sleeve onesie. No, shirt. It's just a long sleeve shirt. It doesn't matter. Look good same way. So it's a long sleeve shirt. 0 to 3 months. It was originally $5. Got it for $1. And the last one for the $1 one, the clearance one. So this is a 3-piece or 2-piece? This is a 3-piece. So this is a 3-piece. So you have the long sleeve onesie, And then I think this is a short sleeve onesie underneath it. Yeah, it's a short sleeve onesie underneath it with a fire truck. Mommy's little hero, so cute. And then you have the little pants that goes with it. This is 6 months, man. This is 6 months. Yeah, 3 to 6 months, yes. So this is a little bit bigger, but that's fine. You know, so baby grow fast. Right, so this is a 3-piece, and it was originally, let's see, $7, and I got it for $1. So this pile over here, I got everything for $1, otherwise from the snowsuit. Whew, hold on. Baby is stretching my belly. So all of these are 10 for $1, so 10 ones is for $10. So I did get them for $1 basically. So most of these over here go run from 0 to 3 months, and some of them are 3 to 6 months. So this little Puma right here, Puma Fast, is 0 to 3 months, $1 again. And this little Puma, never actually, but you know, the Puma them look clean and nice and new, so let me take them up. This one is 6 to 9 months, and when after me do the laundry, after me wash baby clothes and stuff like that, I go size them out differently, so accordingly, so me know which size is which and stuff like that. This is long sleeve, 0 to 3 months, and this is how it look. Long sleeve onesie, 0 to 3 months, for $1 as well. This is Puma again. This is newborn Puma, but for some reason, no, this is 3. They put a different tag on it. 3 to 6 months Puma. Again, $1. This is a little, I wanted this one because just in case you have to just put it underneath this sleeveless onesie, underneath either something that is wearing, you know, just to keep him a little extra warm. And this size is 3 to 6 months. Let me make sure. It's actually 6 months, but this says 3 to 6 months, $1. This is long sleeve onesie. All of these are onesie. Long sleeve onesie. I call the shots. That's what it says. And this is Nike. Nike, 0 to 3 months. 0 to 3 months. That's how it look. And it's for $1. And this one is 0 to 3 months, long sleeve, because I have to mix it up. I have to mix up long sleeve with it. I can't just buy only short sleeve. 0 to 3 months, $1. And this one is 0 to 3 months again, $1 again, long sleeve as well. I'm gonna buy this one because my preschooler, my little preschooler, have a Superman, some kind of Superman shirt. I'm decided to say, okay, I'm gonna go buy this, so both of them we have some kind of Superman shirt together, right? And this one, this size is, let me try the size there. All right, let's go for the size that's on the tag. 3 to 6 months, $1 again. And this is 6 to 12 months. Doesn't look like 6 to 12 months, but that's what they're saying. $1. Right. This Nike, I love this Nike. I love the color too. You can see. Yeah, and this is 3 to 6 months. And this one is this Nike again? Yes, this is Nike again. So we get some good brand too. Which is really good for the price. This is 0 to 3 months, and it says it has a dash. It has a dash pounds of pure power. So this, for instance, the baby born 6 pounds, right? 7 pounds of pure power type of thing, right? And I love it. I love it. $1. All of those $1. And this one says Super Brother. I love this one because he's gonna be the baby brother, right? So this one says Super Brother. My son, my toddler, my preschooler loves that now, you know. This one is so tiny, but I got it just because I said 3 months. This can't be 3 months. Come on, people, this can't be 3 months, right? But they said 3 months still. Me are thinking that it's just newborn, just in case the baby comes smaller than I expect, like like my previous. Thought the baby would be a little bit bigger, but it was smaller, so I had to send my husband home for something smaller. So I bought this one just in case. Didn't buy a lot of those ones, even though it's 3 months. I understand that. Okay, so this one is 0 to 3 months. Right. All of these are $1 same way. I think this is newborn. Yeah, this is newborn. So I didn't buy, yeah, actually I guess I did buy more small ones too then. This is 0 to 3 months, not so small. And all of these are $1 still. This one, Mommy Makes My Day. So cute. Mommy Makes My Day. And this size is 0 to 3 months, still $1. I love this. I think this one, she told me that this one was definitely brand new. And you can see it as well. Cuddle Me. And 3 to 6 months. Long sleeve again, onesie. Long sleeve onesie, 0 to 3 months. And what's this one? 6 months. 6 months here. All of these are still $1. So everything, basically everything we get for $1. Otherwise, on the snowsuit and what I got from my little preschooler. And this is 9 months. Doesn't look like a 9 months outfit to me. Can you see that? Doesn't look like a 9 months outfit to me, but I say 9 months. $1. Yeah, this little bodysuit, the onesie, long sleeve. I love this one. It is 3 to 6 months. They said. Yeah, 3 to 6 months. Also $1. I love that it pin on the side, so you don't have to take their hands out of it. Right, you don't have to completely take off everything if you want to just change a diaper or something like that. Okay, so this is all the clothes, all the dollar stuff then that I got, and the snowsuit. Right, these little things are just little baby hats that I got. These were like 50 cents. Right, 50 cents each. Me look for the one that was in best condition. I love this color. I'm gonna see if I can pick it up. Right, so all of these are just 50 cents each. And I love this one because some of them here are new. 50 cents same way. And this one was $2, and the reason why it was $2 is, wish it was $1 still, is because it's brand new and it has the hat and it has mittens in it. I didn't even open it, but I see that it has the mittens, and it also says so that it has the mittens in it. Alright, I have to go buy some more mittens as well. So it is brand new. Can you see it? Look, it's so tiny though. This is just like when it just born. And it has a little mittens on it. Oh, I like that this mitten. Normally you put a mitten on baby because they're not so tight around the wrist right here. They keep falling off and stuff. But this one has a little Velcro thing going on that can probably strap a little bit tighter. So I do love this. I guess I did pay a good price for this. So it's the matching mitten that goes with the hat. And the last thing that I have is a 24 pack of washcloth, and it was for $2 for 24 pack. That's pretty good. So dark blue, light blue, and white. And I said, okay, yeah, that's fine, because I was looking for a pack like this, and for some reason, like a good size pack like this, and for some reason I wasn't, like, the prices were too much. Like I look on $10 or something like that. I'm like, yo. So let me see this when we go back there again, because obviously I am going to go back there to get some sleep wear for the baby. I'm gonna look if they have any more hats, mittens, and stuff like that. So yes, that's about it for a little mini haul. It seems like it's a more than a little mini haul. So yeah, thanks for watching again, and we see you in the next video. And if you want to know or see a few more details about me, if I don't upload video, check me out on Instagram, and you will see me posting either mini videos or pictures there. You see what's going on with me. Okay, so I'm out until you see me again with my little baby bump. All right, later.